let's talk about fire extinguishers, something that, in my opinion, doesn't get spoken about or trained on all that much. Why? It's because a lot of companies out there and a lot of people out there, it's such a simple topic, they think everybody already knows about it. But we need to talk about how to use a fire extinguisher correctly. Okay? So obviously, I've got a fire extinguisher here. And this is an ABC fire extinguisher. It's good for normal combustibles, it's good for grease and oil, and it's good for electrical. Okay? And so this is a good all-round fire extinguisher. Now, how do we use this fire extinguisher? Well, National Firefighter Protection Association and OSHA suggests that, first of all, you take this fire extinguisher in hand and you may notice this pin. This pin is held by this piece of plastic here that even a child could break. When there's a fire, a small fire, an incipient fire, which is a very small fire, about the size of a trash can, this fire extinguisher can put that out. You pull this pin, P.A.S.S, pull pin for P, aim at the base of the fire, A, pull aim, squeeze the handle, and you're aiming at the base of the fire, and sweep back and forth. So pull, aim, squeeze, sweep, commonly referred to as P.A.S.S. And that's basically how you use an extinguisher. And don't forget, keep your back to a way out at all times, because fire is sneaky. It's almost alive. It eats, it breathes, it's mobile and moves, and it will do what it takes to stay alive. And if it can get behind you, it will. So be sure to keep your back to an exit, aim at the base of the fire, and again, pull, aim, squeeze, sweep is how you use a fire extinguisher.